I'm grilling pork tonight. I'm grilling some chicken. I'm grilling some chicken. Sure enough. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Chicken. We're grilling some chicken. That's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna show you pole man grilling. That's what I'm gonna show you. Pole man grilling. Chicken. Now, take it to the grill. I'll leave that in there for right now. If I can find my lighter, man. I just lit this cigarette, but now I can't seem to find the lighter. We can't grill no chicken without a lighter. The heck did I do with it? Maybe it's under my hat. Nope, ain't that. What did I do with it? I tell you what, man, this weather needs to really make up his mind what it's gonna do. I'm for real. Alright, I can't find my lighter. Let me walk out here. Maybe I forgot it. Yes, I got it right here. See, alright. Pole man grill. Pole man. You see that? You see that right there? And you see that? Hold up. See that right there? That's a light. That's lighter. I'm using lighter.
Call from mom.
Call from mom. I'm using lighter, not a lighter stump to start charcoals. Because I'm too po to go buy new charcoals that still got a little bit of lighter fluid in it. You know, the instant light one. So I'm gonna light this lighter. So I don't burn my freaking hand off with this little ass lighter. Check on. Alright. It's a small flame. Can you see that? It's a small flame. But it's working. Here. Let me get on up in there with some more fire. Come on, light, baby. Don't do daddy like this. I want some chicken. It's cold out here, y'all. Now, ain't no sense in this here. No sense whatsoever. Alright. Pole man. Damn camera won't act stupid. Pole man grill. By the way, I only paid like $12. $12 back in 2015 when I went on that escapade cross country. I bought a $12 grill, and it's going out again. Oh, fixing to get serious with this here in a second. Fixing to get right upset. Some chicken. Oh, that's an onion. I thought that was a piece of wood, but that was an onion. We working on it. We working on it. Maybe I'll get over here. I know y'all can't hardly see me, but see if I can get this here grill rumbling. Once it catches, man, it'll go, you know. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's gonna catch. I think it's gonna catch now. Yeah. It's gonna catch. It's gonna catch one way or the other. Cause I'm hungry. I ain't eating jack all day, man. Alright. I'm gonna let that catch for a minute. I'm gonna let that catch for a minute. Which is doing what it's supposed to do. Right. Alright, that's gonna catch. That's fixing to hook up and blaze. Alright, I'm gonna go over here and see. I got the charcoal right here. Now let's see if I can't stick this charcoal over this here. Hold on, let me drop this here phone for a second. See if I can stick this here charcoal over the lighter. Yeah. It ain't like up under it right like it should be. So daddy dog gonna have to reposition it to where it likes. Well, no, I have to reposition it to where it like catch. And see, I'm lighting it off from this piece of lighter stump. I was out there digging the other day over there on my old wood pile looking for a piece of lighter stump, and a little baby snake crawled out. I don't know what kind it is. He was a gray looking snake. He wasn't even big around as a cigarette, but all the less he was a snake. But he was a baby too, so I ain't too much worried until he grows up. Then he might be a problem. I'm gonna try to move this in charcoal around without knocking it all down, and I just knocked it all down. That's aggravating as cuss. Tell you that right now. Get over. Look. You gotta work with me, dog. Get over there, man. Don't do a man like that. I'm just trying to live, man. You won't give me a hard time. See, when you ain't got no money, you know, you have to improvise. You have to kind of improvise. My damn lighter stick caught on fire out in there. Let's see now, look. Tell me, buddy. It's blazing. Catman do, baby. Catman do, baby. We fixing to be all up in some chicken. I'm talking about all up in the chicken. Let me go in here while that's heating up. Let me go in here and show you what this little bit of chicken I'm about to throw up on here. Now I went to Food Line yesterday, bought some of this chicken. I came home and I cut it up in the little strips. I threw it in a frying pan, seasoned it with garlic salt and a little this, little that. I can't give you all my secrets. And cooked it in a frying pan. Alright, well, while that was cooking, I had bought some broccoli and cheese and heated it up in the microwave back there. Heated up in that microwave right there. You know. So when the chicken got done, I took the broccoli and cheese, dumped on top the chicken that I just cooked in the frying pan, and threw a little more sauce to it. A little honey mustard. My secret, don't tell nobody. A little honey mustard. Tell you what, I eat my ass off. I eat more than I should have. You know what I'm saying? Maybe that's why my ass so broad. Then again, maybe it ain't. But here's the chicken right here. See that? For all y'all vegetarians, that's what they call chicken. Chicken! And we fixing to put it on the grill. We fixing to eat. That's what we fixing to do. Well, I'm gonna eat. There ain't no we. I'ma eat. I don't know what y'all eating tonight, but I'm eating chicken. What a poor man eats on a regular, just about. Y'all priced Y'all price beef lately? I ain't never known of no cow having gold in their ass. Nowhere. You talking about 20-something dollars for one steak, man? Look again. Ain't no cow worth that. Homeboy eat chicken before he pays that. $20, man. I can buy 2, 3, 4 whole chickens. I can eat 2 whole chickens in one sitting by myself. You know what I'm saying? So this little bit right here where I showed you on that plate ain't gonna take but a minute. I'm gonna knock it out. And then I'm either gonna get in the recliner, and I'm gonna recline and watch a little TV. Little TV back there. And chill. I may do a YouTube video. I don't know though. I I may not. I don't know. You know. The world can't handle too much of me at one time. You know what I'm saying? That would be called a overdose. Too much at once. You overdone it. Now I don't want to overdo it for people. So you may not see my face again after tonight, but you'll definitely see it tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Because I got a few things I want to talk about and take life on the real trip. I ain't gonna be about talking about no cheating. It may come up, but that won't be the main topic. You know what I mean? I'm trying to help people, man. I've seen, look in. Look at, man. I got so much to tell about me. I mean, it's got to help somebody, man. If I can pull myself up out the gutter, if y'all only knew the gory details of how low I went. And if I can pull myself up out of that, man, come on, man. Anybody can. I watched the TV show Intervention, and I see a lot of messed up people. And I was one of them people, man. I gotten so low in life, it was unreal, dude. But you know what? Sometimes in life, we got to make decisions. And you can do anything. You can do anything you put your mind to. Anything. And the first step to doing that is making a decision. I ain't talking about thinking about it. I ain't talking about trying. I ain't talking about wanting to. I'm talking about doing. Make that decision. You got to. And see, when you reach a certain time in your life and you going nowhere and you've never really made nothing of yourself, and when I mean that, I mean like I had big dreams of being special effects artist in the movies. I had a big dream of being a comedian. I ain't talking about these childhood dumb dreams. I'm talking about realistically, man. But you know what I done? I wasted it. Because I didn't know how to deal with life on life's terms. I didn't. I was taught not directly, indirectly. You deal with your problems with alcohol and drugs. Shit get too heavy. You put an alcohol band-aid on it. You put a drug band-aid on it. But you know what? That just don't work, man. It don't work. It kills you. It eats you up on the inside. Now if you don't want to do nothing with your life, if you want to continue messing up, you want to continue down that road of horror, then by all means go. But this old boy, he jumped ship. And I wasn't gonna drown. I was gonna swim and swim and swim and swim. And I spotted land. I tried hard, man. It was me against the world. Me against the world. And I don't mean that real small neither. I mean that big. There wasn't nobody. Yeah, I got family, but they they wasn't me. They could only tell me what I needed to do, but they couldn't tell me how to. I had to figure all that on my own. A couple of overdoses, a couple of heavy wake-up calls. You either wake up or you die. And luckily, I'm still alive. So while I'm still alive, I, I'm gonna live. I'm gonna live the rest of my life with this. See this big chesty cat smile. I'm gonna live the rest of my life with that bitch cross my face all times, at all times. Period. There ain't no ifs, ands, or buts. It's all doing it, completing it, reaching step 2 from step 1, looking for step 3. I don't look behind me no more. What's behind me can stay behind me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's in front of me, but I know what's right here right now. And that's what I can control. Like I'm controlling this phone and that fire burning right there. I control my life just that easy. And I'm telling you, it starts with making a decision. You gotta make a decision. If you don't make a decision, nothing changes. You gotta want to change too. You gotta want to upgrade. You know what I'm saying? You got to want it. And when you do it by yourself like me, no family there to support you. I mean, my mom and aunt and all supported me, but I'm talking about, you know, there with you constantly. Like wife and kids and things of that nature. If you don't have that support, you ain't got it. You ain't got support. All the decisions you make, you're going to have to make on your own. You're going to have to do it on your own. And you're going to have to play hard. You know what I'm saying? Because it took years to get where I'm at today. You know what I'm saying? So it may take years to get to where I want to go. But that's okay because I got years. And I can love it the whole time I'm getting there. And that's what I'm going to do. But let me check my fire. That's enough of that. Let me get off the reel. That's enough of that. Let's see what she looks like. Yeah, see? Now them coals is right, Jack. All I got to do is brush them out, level them up, you know what I mean? Throw a little level on, straighten them out. Cause see, I ain't got but 3 breasts back there to knock down on here. You know what I'm saying? Three little chicken breasts. Nature's Best, by the way. And no, they don't sponsor me. I don't need the sponsorship. Dad got this all on his own. My lighter stump caught on fire again. Or stick a lighter. Right on, baby. Homie hitting on hard right there. Homie hitting hard right there. Right there. We got home laid out right now. See, it's laid out. Out my stick. My hot stick. Alright. Let's get real. How y'all like my sticker, man? Sticker pretty cool. That's what I thought too. But anywho, back up in here. I'm gonna go out here and get the chicken. Chicken. We're gonna throw it on the grill. You know. Well, I tell you what, I got a little bit of battery left on my phone, a little bit of battery left. I'm gonna take it out there. Well, by the way, I'm probably gonna put this on YouTube. This ain't a follow-up on my intro video. So that intro video, part 2 of that ain't gonna be me cooking chicken. That's on the